You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names in more confusing vocabulary and medical terms. Stay tuned to learn more. Two different ways, slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In British English it's pronounced as Agammaglobulinemia, Agammaglobulinemia, Agammaglobulinemia. In American English it's this bu syllable that's pronounced more like a boo syllable, as in Agammaglobulinemia. It's very similar. Agammaglobulinemia or Agammaglobulinemia. Do you get the difference? Very similar. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps me making more of those, talking about more. Here are more videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.